Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time to my channel, my name is ceochet. I needed to do voiceover for this amazing tutorial because I need to explain some part in this ventilating for you guys. So please do not stop watching, keep on watching, and I hope you pick one or two tutorial from this amazing video. If you watch closely, you can see I skipped two lines to ventilate on the third line. We are going to see what I'm talking about. Watch closely. That is why I zoom it very well. I skipped two lines to ventilate on the third line. The main reason why I skipped two lines, I'm going to explain to you guys. This hair is like kinky coils texture. It gets full easily. It's a synthetic wig, and you don't want the closure to look over shaped, as in to be shapeless after finish making the closure. I use 4x4 closure. Then from the beginning, like first 7 track, I use like crochet on the I said crochet, ventilate on the first line, skip the second line, ventilate on the third line, skip the second line, ventilate on the fourth line, skip the next line. So that was how I did it, like 7 row. Then after 7 row, I start skipping 2 lines, not O's. Lines is different from O's. The one I'm ventilating on is O's and line. Line is the straight one that we are going to ventilate down. So I skip 2 lines so that the closure will look shapeless. So that is what I need to explain to my amazing queen. So keep on watching, guys. I really appreciate your support, your love. I really appreciate you so much. So keep on watching, guys. So now I want to measure the pattern out. I'm going to use my tape rule to measure the pattern out. See, let me tell you, kinky crochet coil, this kinky crochet coil is one of the best amazing coils I've used in ventilating. You can easily maintain these coils. Yes, you can maintain it. You're going to see how I did that towards the end of this video. Just keep on watching, guys. So the only thing you can see me applying to this is serum, hair serum, Uma hair serum oil. Do not apply any maintaining coils cream or any other one. This serum will make this hair to be soft, and as in very easy to maintain with this serum, very easy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please do not watch without subscribing. I really appreciate your love, your support. I really appreciate that so much. It means a lot to me. May God bless you for contributing to my growth, for watching. Please make sure you like. That is where you can tell me thank you for showing this amazing hack, so that you won't sit down for long to ventilate and it's going to come out so amazing. You see, this method is so amazing.